A St. Mary taxi operator was reportedly mobbed and killed by residents in Jacks River in the parish after he was accused of committing a sexual offense. He is 34-year-old Negus Da Costa of Oxford in the parish. Police report that around 5:55 p.m. Da Costa was attacked by residents in the community. The details of the offense has not been ascertained. Lawmen say Da Costa had to be rescued after he was badly beaten by the angry residents. He was taken to hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. The Clarendon police are probing the murder of a man in Lionel Town in the parish. A neighbor reportedly discovered the body of 62-year-old Derek Bandu about 6 o'clock Wednesday morning at the rear of his house. He was seen lying on the ground under a tree with his head bashed in. The police were called. Investigators say they observed blood splatter around Mr. Bandu's body. One of Westmoreland's most wanted who was on bail and living in St. Elizabeth was fatally shot Wednesday evening during a reported confrontation with the police. He is Vivian Godfrey, also known as Klansman. The police recovered an illegal firearm and several rounds of ammunition. It's reported that the police were in the Malvern area conducting an operation when they were confronted by Mr. Godfrey. He reportedly shot at the police. A shootout ensued and Mr. Godfrey was injured. He was recently offered bail in Westmoreland Parish Court for murder. He later relocated to Malvern. This is the second most wanted from Westmoreland who was killed during confrontation with the security forces in St. Elizabeth this month. A man was shot and killed while a 7-year-old is among 2 others wounded in a gun attack in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Wednesday evening. The deceased is 23-year-old Akeem Webb. Police report that around 8:59 p.m. Webb was playing dominoes at a shop when he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him. The police were summoned and upon their arrival, Webb, another man, and the 7-year-old were found with gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where Webb was pronounced dead and the others admitted. A probe has been launched into the incident.